Hello guys, welcome back to Self Study YouTube channel. This video lecture is for 10th standard SSC board students, and today we are going to talk about syllabus reduction of Mathematics 1, that is algebra, for 10th standard SSC board and English medium for 2021 year only. This syllabus is reduced. So this is your book, Maths 1 part 1 algebra. So lesson number 1, linear equation in two variables. From that, what is reduced we will see. So from page number 2, full page 2 is reduced, means the example 1 is reduced. Simultaneous linear equation, the 4 lines are there, but the example is reduced. Next, on page number 3, example number 2 is reduced, 3 is there as it is. So there is only one method. Elimination is reduced, substitution is reduced. Only the one which the coefficients are interchanged, that method is kept. Only substitution and elimination is reduced because we have studied it in 9th standard. So example number 1 from page number 2, example number 2 from page number 3, and then from page number 4, practice set 1.1. First question is reduced because it is again of elimination method. So from page number 4, practice set 1.1, question number 1 is reduced. Next we have is page number 5. On page number 5, question number 2, as you can see, solve the following simultaneous equation. From that, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth is reduced because they have substitution and elimination method included in them. So substitution elimination is reduced, therefore the first 6 questions are reduced. Only 7 and 8 is there. The coefficients are interchanged, therefore that method is there. So first 6 is reduced, 7, 8 is there. Graphical method, nothing is reduced from graphical method. Nothing is reduced from the Cramer's rule as well. Cramer's rule and graphical method is as it is there. Nothing is reduced from it. Next, directly on page number 16, we have an activity. Equations reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variable. So that part is completely reduced. The activity on page number 16, as you can see, complete the following. This is reduced. On page number 17, whole page number 17 is reduced because the reducible form of linear equation, that completely is reduced, therefore 17 page is reduced. Next we have on page number 18, full 18 pages reduced. Then next 19, full 19 page is reduced, including practice set 1.4. so everything from this is reduced. Next we have on page number 28, directly from this, question number 6, solve the following simultaneous equation. So this is from reducible form, so therefore that is also reduced, question number 6 only. Next is the next lesson number 2, quadratic equation. From quadratic equation, 37 page, on 37 page you can see solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square method. So completing square method is completely reduced from your syllabus, therefore let's learn this part is reduced, page number 37. Then page number 38, completely reduced because there is no completing square method, therefore the examples are also not there. Next, on page number 39, we have 20 solve with the help of completing square, that is reduced, and practice set 2.3 is also reduced because completing square method. Next, on page number 39 only, we can see the let's learn, that is not reduced. Formula of solving a quadratic equation is there, so only till practice set 2.3 is reduced. Next, directly on page number 42, for more information, completely reduced, that 42 page full reduced. Next we have on page number 43, the activity, you can see from that activity, solve the equation 2x square plus 13x plus 15 equals to 0 by factorization method. Only this much. By completing square method is reduced, and by using formula that is there, verify that you will get the same roots every time. So this is there, factorization and formula, but completing square method, those words by completing square method, that you have to cut because completing square method is reduced. Directly on page number 46, full page is reduced. Next, on page number 47, full page is reduced. 49, let's remember this much part is only reduced. Again on page number 49 you can see activity from practice set 2.5. First activity, third sub part of it, sub question of first one, this: if alpha beta are the roots of the equation, quadratic equation, that is reduced. Next we have on page number 50 the star questions, fifth and sixth one is reduced. Application of quadratic equation is as it is there. Directly on page number 53 we have problem set. From that problem set, question number 6, out of the following equation, that is reduced. Then on page number 54, question number 10, find quadratic equation such that. So this question is reduced. So these questions which I just now told you are not going to come for the exam. Next we have lesson number 3, arithmetic progression. From arithmetic progression nothing is removed. Full chapter is there for your studies. Directly we have lesson number 4, financial planning. So on page number 96, for more information, this is given. This is reduced completely. And now mark page number 97 to page number 108. These pages 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108. This much, these pages are reduced. Next we have directly on page number 111, that is your problem set 4b. Okay, 4b, remember this, 4b. So problem set 4b completely reduced from page number 111, and 112 also 4b is continued. So 111 and 112 problem set 4b again is reduced. Next we have next lesson, which is lesson number 5, probability. Nothing is removed. Full chapter is there for your study in your syllabus, so nothing is removed from probability. Next we have directly lesson number 6, that is statistics. From this 132 page number directly, assume mean method. This method is removed from your syllabus. Now mark page number 133 to 137, means 133, 134, 135, 136, 137. These page numbers are reduced, 133 to 137. Next directly on 138, practice set 1.6. From this number 2, 4, 5, 6 is reduced, means only first and third question will be there. 2, 4, 5, 6 is reduced. Next directly on page number 159, reading of pie diagram, completely reduced. 159 full page cut, 160 full page cut, 161 this part is reduced, means the highlighted part is reduced. Let's remember and let's learn is there. The above part of it is reduced. Next on page number 164, there is a continuation of practice set 6.6. so from that, question number 5 and question number 6 is reduced. Okay, and from miscellaneous problems 6, on page number 65 you can see question number 2, this one, and question number 4, this one is reduced. Next 14th question is reduced. On page number 168, 16th question is removed. So these are the questions which are reduced from the syllabus from lesson number 1 to lesson number 6. 3, lesson number 3, arithmetic progression, and lesson number 5, probability. Full chapters with 1, 2, 4 and 6. These lessons, the reduced parts questions I have told you. So questions will not be there in your exams. I hope you like this video. If you did, consider subscribing to Self Study YouTube channel. Until then, keep watching, keep learning. In the next part, I'll also upload the video for mathematics 2, that is geometry, the syllabus which is reduced. So till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.